namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Of course, I update album ya usingove Mr. Post. Obviously ngona been my ngan swi fika mkama swi va linkisiwa sweswo vanda. Yeah, so hiti 2 October usingove Mr. Post hayi tsala e post live of course ifika itsala ku shota ku yiva live akutleleki leswi of course afika ikomisa swinene then ivekela that screenshot kukomisa ku hayi album se hayi higher on I submit submitted, approved, and sent to stores. As you can see, and of course, you can so let's confirm I got copy no single miss the post. I could take in my upload delay on my way and lead. So I got away confirm my like I single miss the post. I will understand I'm going to copy in Guilla. Could get the yes, cash get the river or but I copy and then from there, oh, you buluga. As you can see kwalano yeah 12 o'clock vele even earlier ita checksa kahle la so I will got this link mara actually hlamar what's happening until maybe yo mesa risimo ana ala until maybe ngayo mesa risimo rin'we but hayi album yo humini eku angeza ku ndwa ti playlist mina ni vete na hatlisa ni tsutsuma as basta tin fika ndla playlist no mo such a Mr. Post on 25 album ama ikuma sweswi Mr. Post angeza abana like his own playlist for now but the playlist ikona and then Master T you can go and listen to the album very mayingisa mitoko yishinjana mijika myala ka ben mayingana mhlemu vuyala nje kam compare mi ekubona ka ngona mitino ku the albums leti shinjana na mina hari ku yingiseni ka hari elingu very na upfuka I'm still trying to listen ka hari 4 am imagine I'm still trying to listen ni twa njani nuvulo ku shushu nta enda top 3 ya I'm still listening so you can search ikona la so yeah most of them is the post on 25 album that's why I'm saying in the playlist because the most search like mingena ka account ya Mr. Post minge yikumi that album icona har maona makari so mfike msearch amuko Mr. Post 2025 album yita home nguveta ku Master Chile enhla le imentsona kana playlist mos yo imentsona kana playlist yo imentsona ya mukuma playlist le mistrema swi va kahle swilo ivi ti computer yeah ana ku hala ka choose ta ikhe cheka hi vona ku ta overtake na ora kanjani sisi very hosingo Mr. Post umese like maybe days later go yeah it's unfair but yeah ta ikhe cheka na ku hala ka choose wa kangena and stuff like that mko shushu ya new year ku stream monitor ingeza ingena but ta ikhe cheka min notify because I'm dealing with thousands of comments like guys yo avekile ku crazy ku tense ntakomela men support very ku support is to watch and watch the ads aku busy blood comments leti nga ku ngena ti tele and I have to deal with thousands of comments literally no bula hundreds of comments so yeah I know as ingena itangena ta occasion and man notifier sha bese ku tsala ina a comment ka chikola ka channel na tla nishikuma data swa ti email ka rungo swa delay nyana itsala a comment data nishikuma very fast because I'm replying to each and every comment elesho loko ri amgeza subscribe anta kombela mtlika subscribe I love it enjoy la
Memirina.
Me kwala ri ku bvenyanya la.
Yo voko la wani. Yo futsu.
Ya kwe. Ya futsu.
Iku ndende.
Kwala ka xigana.
Iku rwe.
Kwala kwi.
Ka galwi.
What boy?
Ya chama.